As a robotics engineer, my role in integrating AI with robotics is crucial. I work at the intersection of technology, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. In the Compute Plus Foundation layer, I build the backbone of the system, using foundation models to train robots to understand and interact with the world around them. It's like teaching them to see, hear, and make decisions just like humans. But it doesn't stop there. In the deployment layer, I bring these models to life. I use agent tool frameworks to design and implement intelligent behaviors for robots. It's all about creating robots that can adapt, learn, and make decisions in real time, whether it's navigating through a complex environment or interacting with humans. To qualify for this exciting role, a bachelor's or master's degree in robotics, computer science, or electrical engineering is essential. Experience in robotics programming and design is a must, along with a deep understanding of AI and machine learning techniques. Proficiency in programming languages like C++ or Python is also crucial. So, if you're passionate about technology, love solving complex problems, and want to shape the future of robotics, this is the role for you. Join me on this incredible journey of integrating AI with robotics, and let's create a world where robots are not just machines, but intelligent companions.